What's up, everybody? It's Glenn here at Lois Hills Harley-Davidson. It's a new bike, new year kind of thing. 2023 is special, and it's special for Scott here because he's taking home this beautiful 2022 Heritage. White walls, this thing's absolutely beautiful. He has a few things to do to it. Are you super stoked for 2023?
Oh, heck yes. Ready to go riding.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yes, sir.
How did your experience go today, Scott?
Very good. I appreciate all the help y'all give my wife and I. It's been a great experience.
We appreciate the business. Go ahead and ring that bell.